everyone! So as most of you may know, Mike and I bought a house right in the beginning of quarantine. So we've had kind of a hard time getting family and friends over to see our new place. So we decided to make a video kind of showing it off. We finally feel like we have enough furniture in here to show it off. We've had kind of a hard time getting furniture because 2 days after we closed, all the furniture stores also closed. So we've had to do a lot of our shopping online, but everything's finally here, so we want to show it off. Something else that's new, this is Milo. Say hi. This is our puppy Milo. Got him about 3 weeks ago. He's the goodest boy. So we'll start off in the kitchen. It's right in the front of the house when you walk in. I love the kitchen. I love the look of it. The only problem is there's not a ton of cabinet space. So Mike was actually super amazing and built me a shelf in our laundry room, which is right here off the garage. So he built this awesome shelf. So it stores all of our food, it stores Milo's food, and it's right above our washer and dryer. So that's been really awesome to have. So right off the kitchen is our living room. So we loved how open the floor plan was when we first moved in. So we've got our couches, Milo's bed, the TV, place for his toys, and my favorite part of the whole house is our gallery wall. It took Mike so long to measure all those frames out and hang them all up straight, but I love how it turned out. I think it just adds a really personal touch to it, and I don't know, it's got all of the people we love on it, and it makes me happy every time I look at it. So off the living room is our bedroom. So this is my makeup table. I was super excited to do that. I actually made that. I'm really proud of it. It took a lot of string and a lot of time, but I think it turned out really great. So we do have a bathroom attached to our bedroom. So the house is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So this is one of them. If you head down the opposite way, you'll find the other 2 bedrooms and the guest bathroom. So here's the guest bathroom, pretty much the same as the first one. We do have a linen closet. This is our office. We love our office. This was the last thing that we did for the house, but I think it turned out so well. Mike built us these awesome computers, and they're so great to work on. We have huge monitors, so it really makes editing a lot more fun. So right next to the office is our guest bedroom. We actually haven't had anyone stay in here yet because of COVID. No one's really been traveling. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I know this isn't the same as having a real house tour and being here in person, but it's as close as we can get right now in these crazy times. So Mike and I are so excited to be homeowners, and for our first home, we love it. It's great. So thank you for watching.